Hello, everybody. Welcome to the beginning of Module 6. This is our first week, and it's really about you getting an opportunity to share some feedback with your writing partners if you haven't done so already. So last week, I hope you were getting to the point where you have a pretty solid idea of what Chapter 3 should look like. You have a pretty solid draft going, even if you don't have all the details of the draft finished, you kind of have an understanding of what your roadmap is going to be. So this week is shining up that draft, getting a draft of that to me so I can provide you feedback. And then also getting a draft to your writing partner so that they can provide you feedback in this upcoming week. Excuse me. There was a mini lesson that was supposed to happen this week. I shifted that, if you remember, to last week. So this week, there's just a weekly review and time for you to shine up your draft and share feedback with your writing partner. That's really the two goals of this week. Technically, the feedback with your writing partner isn't really due until next week. And I would like to give them enough time for during next week to be able to make the changes you suggest, as well as working on their mock proposal. So the sooner the better on partner feedback would be fantastic. Just like we did last time, I just need to know that there's evidence that you did some sort of partner feedback. So you can decide how you want that to look. Perhaps you want to just write a note in the assignment Dropbox that said, here's the synopsis of the feedback that I gave to my writing partner. Or perhaps you want to share with me the draft that has your writing partner's notes on it. Or perhaps you want to link to some sort of WebEx meeting that you may have recorded, or Zoom meeting you may have recorded if you did a writing conference with each other. However you want to do it, I just want to give you credit for the work that you're putting in. And so that's really the big thing. And as you know, Chapter 3 is technically due at the end of the week. But again, I know you're all taking your time and figuring out what works for you and your work schedules and your home schedules and your life schedules. So as always, I'm flexible on due dates. It actually ends up helping me out because then I don't get all 12 papers at once. So with that, I hope you have a great week. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the mock proposals yesterday, if you got a chance. And Dr. Banks should be sending you all an email that gives you some information about the feedback forms for the mock proposals. It would be great if you could get as many of those in as you can. Again, I'll be honest, I'm not going to grade or check that you got it done. That wasn't on the syllabus to begin with, so I'm not going to make that a part of your grading scheme. But it is wonderful for your partners to get feedback, and it will be really helpful, or to your classmates to get feedback, and it will be really helpful for the college to continue to get data for the Higher Learning Commission and reaccreditation. Okay, now with that, I'm going to leave off, and I hope you have a great week. Of course, call me with any, or alert me to any questions you might have. Call me, text me, whatever, and we will get through these next couple of weeks. All right, have a great week. Bye, everybody.